face.
So the same thing that we did on the left side, we're gonna do on the other side because he has an ear and he has another side of the face. So it's just mirrored basically. So we're gonna start curving this line going up and over the ear. So you just basically go all around. Then
oh, you doing a video? You doing an edit? You doing an edit?
Samira
thinks she's a filmmaker.
He's such a hater. I'm gonna show you my degree. You wait. Yo, like I just.
You're not a filmmaker.
He's such a hater, yo. I swear to you.
So, what are we doing today, John?
We are doing a client consultation. Zamira is my client and she wants to do something very extreme to her hair. She is a level 3 and she wants to go to a level 9. And can we get a close up on the client over here?
What was that? Hold up. What was that
And
supposed
this
to
is going to cost a lot of money. A lot of money. And it's going to be about 3 or 4 sessions because we don't want to damage the integrity of her hair. Alright? Is that alright with you or would you like to fry it on the first session?
No, I want to. I'll come back.
You want to? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that. I like money. I like to pay my bills.
Okay.
So your desired, your desired, you got naked pictures?
I had to think, like, what is he talking about?
Listen, this needs to be rated PG. We don't need any rated R pictures.
Desired tonal result. What's his desired tonal result if he wants to?
It's like warm, cool.
Dang, I'm a 1?
Okay.
I think so.
I was hoping I was like a 4. You know what I'm saying?
Why do you want to be a 4?
So that I can easily get a lighter color. I feel like 1s are just extremely difficult.
Maybe it's.
I'd say a 2. It's not that but maybe.
I know.
No, I'm thinking it's lighter on the sides, but I think it's just because there's not as much hair there. It's like an illusion, I think.
Tell them. Tell them.
Hello? So Kevin's natural level is a 2, and his canvas level is a 0 since he has virgin hair, and his desired level is a 10 because he wants to do burgundy tips. So the dominant pigment at the desired level would be yellow.
It's what? It's 11 o'clock. We're gonna be doing updos, but apparently there's a class downstairs that wants to cut men, and I always cut my own hair. It's gonna be the first time I'm getting a cut since my girlfriend cut my hair on that video.
How's it look?
It looks alright. It ain't do too bad.
I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Parisian Beauty Academy. Our first contender from the Dominican Republic, Jeffrey Brito.
Chance the ruthless trip shrooms and Lucy.
Planted on the skin and the head to give him a pivot point. Because if he was just free, he would be a little bit unbalanced with his lever. It acts as a lever or a pivot. So he keeps his finger on the back of the ear and he's just slightly stretching the skin.
What's going on, guys? I'm Johnny Lorenzo, Johnny Two Blades, if you follow me on Instagram. Just talking a little bit about how we do a little men's cutting, all right, for our cosmetology students. We, every so often, do a little bit of men's cutting classes. So right now we're doing a little active learning using the students that know what they're doing and have experience in barbering to teach the other students.
Mid fade is judged by the corner right here. He's closing the lever and he's going to drop it in the back. You can see it's forming to the head. He's doing that, so when the fade happens, it's going to look like it's accentuating the head.
Introducing Chance the ruthless trip shrooms and
So, about to get my cut done.
Out here.
We out here.
You already know.
Alright, you can turn it to you.
Yo, Jeff. What are we hitting today, kid?
Alright, so we're gonna hit this kid right here with a drop fade, skin tight all around because he's trying to grow above he's trying to grow his hair above the occipital bone here. So we're gonna mark the drop fade starting a little bit lower than this corner line right here, over the ear with the 0 gap. Then we're gonna hit it with the half, and then we're gonna graduate its way up as we go along with a 1 and so on.
Yeah. We back. We back and 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 we back. Better than I was the last time. Raps just made me anxious, and acid made me crazy. Them squares just made me looser, that wax just made me lazy. And I still make this song, and I'ma make another. If you ever actually hit me, better watch out for my brother. Better I'll take that deal. Gotta watch out for my mother. Get a watch with all that glitters. Come in clutters, different colors. Been a baller, been for butler, chauffeur, hit a stainer. Did I stutter? Did a ton of drugs and did better than all my alma mater. Motherfucking money dance, honey's in, Galilee. Make a joke out in those head and piggyback on balance fleet. Balancing on sporticity and fucking pure joy. Nightly searches for our
You want to pull the ear down so you have space to work. And so you also don't burn his ear, because this machine tends to get hot sometimes. You also want to stretch the skin so the blade can run smoother on a flat surface. Because if you don't stretch the skin, it's just going to get wrinkled and you're not going to have a clean cut.